So hello students, I think we can start the class now. Can everyone hear my voice clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Let's start. In the last class, what we were discussing was we were discussing about the structure of the plasma membrane, right? So plasma membrane structure kon kenekwa various scientists from time to time try to explain, and as we have already discussed, we said that there are many models that are provided, right, as to explain the structure. Out of all the models that were proposed to explain the structure, we need to read only 3 of them, and out of them, the first one we have already completed, that was the sandwich model, right? Sandwich model, I mean, already discussed. Today we'll start with the second one, that is unit membrane model. So, unit membrane model. And as we have already said, no, a model bilakor who has proposed naam to lage. Proposed by Robertson in the year 1959. Now, what we understand by the word unit membrane, any membrane is said to be an unit membrane if two phospholipid layers are present. Right? Next, according to this model, proteins are asymmetrical in the membrane. You have to remember the word asymmetrical. If you remember, sandwich model that model tells us that the plasma membrane is made up of symmetrical proteins. Plasma membrane বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে কি থাকিব তাতে ফসফোলিপিডৰ দুটা bilayer থাকিব আৰু তাৰ লগতে types of proteins থাকিব. According to the sandwich model, we have seen that they said that যোনবিলাক proteins থাকিব গোটেই proteins বোৰ একে type. So we use the word that was called as symmetrical. But this model tells us that plasma membrane যোনবিলাক proteins থাকিব those would be asymmetrical. তাৰমানে the proteins that would be on the upper side or outer layer would be different from the proteins that would be present in the lower layer. Asymmetrical word to মনত ৰাখিবা. As far as the diagram is concerned, is this part of the board visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
এইবিলাক কি আঁকিছো ফসফোলিপিড ন maybe this line represents a different type of protein. And this type represents a different type of protein. কারণ দুটা ফসফোলিপিডৰ এই দুখনটো ফসফোলিপিডৰ লেয়াৰ থাকিবই As far as the structure of the protein is concerned, iman details nalage, just eta word monot rakhiba, asymmetrical. Just see whether you have understood or not.
Ma'am, drawing to ইপিনে দেখা যোৱা নাই।
কোনখিনি? এইটো portion? One second. কৰি আছো মই। সেইখিনি মই এটা কাম কৰো, এই চাইডে লিখি দিওঁ। It is just the thickness of the membrane that I have written. Thickness to ki jano? So if you are talking about this protein part, it would be 20 angstrom. Phospholipid or part to kiman hobo? 35 angstrom, and this one would again be of 20 angstrom. Thickness. So ultimately kiman hobo libo 75. So Robertson next asymmetrical, but that's all. And obviously this was also not accepted because it could not explain the selectively permeability nature of the membrane towards water and electrolytes. লিখিলো। Sandwich model or unit membrane model difference to keep similarity. Similarity is both the models spoke about the presence of two phospholipids. The only difference is our model or sandwich model by trilamellar model ki kosile that the proteins are symmetrical in nature. Yate ki kosile the proteins are non-symmetrical or asymmetrical. Is this over?
Yes, ma'am.
So next we move towards the third one, which is the most accepted description about
Ma'am, rejection likha hua nasil.
Okay. Okay, likha rejected because it could not explain the selectively permeability to water and electrolytes. Membrane khone keneke kuntu molecule select koribo kuntu nokore, right? Selectively permeability nature to explain koribo pare nai. Tatke beshi details aur na lage.
Yes,
Once you are
ma'am.
done, please tell me.
Done, ma'am. Yes.
Next heading কৰা fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic কথা কি জানো? The most accepted, no? Fluid mosaic model লগত লাইন এটা যায় So question ahe, protein iceberg in the sea of lipids. This statement is according to which model proposed for plasma membrane? So fluid mosaic model ki koisile that the structure of the plasma membrane looks something like this. It looks as if the protein icebergs are floating in the sea of lipids. I think we understand the line. Protein ba iceberg buji pao no? বৰফৰ টুকুৰাবোৰ right
Yes, ma'am.
পানীৰ ওপৰত যেনেকে বৰফৰ টুকুৰাবোৰ উপগি থাকে so according to this model what they said is the plasma membrane is almost like that এখন lipids থাকিব or it will be full of lipids and inside or within the lipids কি থাকিব কিছুমান types of proteins থাকিব so এই statementৰ ওপৰত question আহিছে next proposed by Singer and Nicholson. Right? This model is the most accepted model. Right? According to this model, biological membranes are semi-fluid or quasi-fluid. একেটা বস্তু so semi-fluid word to জানিব লাগিব structures where lipids বা phospholipids ji likha to be precise কোনবিলাক proteins বুলি যদি সোধো intrinsic proteins statement to বুজি পাইছনে So according to the biological membrane or nature কেনেকুৱা they are semi-fluidic তাহাঁতে বিৰাট solid structure এটা নহয় they are very hard নহয় ঠিক আছে they are always semi-fluidic or quasi-fluidic in nature আৰু lipids আৰু it will be made up of what lipids and proteins so this is the statement as far as the diagram is concerned এইটো মুছু নেকি the first line
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay Just enough way to describe.
মেম গ্ৰীণ আৰু ৰেডটো কি হয়?
লিখি দি আছো। Proteins. লিখিলো। So কিমান type of proteins আছে? 3 types. It a whole I think it's well understood, right? So if you're talking about the plasma membrane, obviously it will be made up of phospholipids, right? Phospholipid, we have already talked about that the presence of hydrophilic part and the hydrophobic part. You can already discuss করেছো আর তার থেকে different types of three types of proteins থাকিব extrinsic, intrinsic and transmembrane protein or fungal protein. So we have to write certain information about these three types of proteins. That is what we are going to write after the diagram. So if the diagram is over,
Hello, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ কোৱা।
ম্যাম কি ডাউট ক্লাসও হ'ব নেকি? ম্যাম কেইটাৰ পৰা হ'ব ডাউট ক্লাস?
চাই লওঁ around 3:15 মানৰ পৰা কৰিম তাকে let's see কিমানখিনি আমি শেষ কৰিব পাৰো ক্লাছত।
Yes.
লাইনটো দেখা পাইছানে বৰ্ডখন এইখিনি পাম দিছে।
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
আগতে প্লাজমা মেমব্ৰেনখন কি বুলি ভাবিছিলে as a solid structure, right? But now we understand that it is fluidic in nature and not a solid structure. Is there any point that you did not understand?
No, ma'am.
একেলগে বুজি পাইছা ন?
Yes, ma'am.
যেটা বলবা মোক কবা। So you have to pay interest to this word uniformly distributed and non-uniformly distributed, solid in nature and fluidic in nature. Fluidic in nature according to the new model. I think the diagram is over.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a little information about the three different types of proteins. This was point number 1. right? So first to look at the extrinsic protein. So extrinsic, external. These type of proteins are located completely outside the membrane. Concentration of these proteins more or less 30% in concentration. ये परसेंट जो ऊपर तो क्वेश्चन है. Since these proteins are on the outside or external side, so these proteins can be removed from the membrane very easily. And one example spectrin. Yeah, what about question is spectrin is an example of extrinsic protein, intrinsic protein. It is an example of extrinsic protein. Now intrinsic protein information is लिखा completely inside the membrane. Right. Since it is intrinsic, it cannot be easily removed. It cannot be removed easily. As far as the concentration is concerned, around 70% in concentration. Example note रखिएगा agar to spectrin. As far as the examples of intrinsic protein, even questions are like is spectrin or whatever question. Next, transmembrane protein. It can be viewed from both the surface area of the plasma membrane. As far as its function is concerned, transport of materials. Well, transport लिखित हो दिन. From outside to the inner side of the cell. Cannot be easily removed as far as concentration, around 70% in concentration. Function transport of substances. কাম কৰা আৰু এটা function লিখাচোন. It cannot be easily removed to পিছত লিখিবা. লিখিলা নেকি?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
নাই লিখা
ঠিক আছে. It also acts as receptors for hormones. Hormones বিলাক receive কৰিব.
ma'am
Hmm.
Intrinsic protein to 70% in concentration
Around roughly.
or transmembrane protein to 70% in concentration.
About কেতিয়াবা বেছি কেতিয়াবা কম.
দুটাই 70% কেনেকে ওলাব?
নহয় এটা বেছি হ'ব এটা কম হ'ব তেতিয়া. Right?
মানে 0 to
As
70%.
compared to as compared to extrinsic. Right? Extrinsic
ma'am.
protein or transmembrane protein is also an example of intrinsic protein itself. হয় নে নহয়? কাৰণ ভিতৰতে এইটো আছে. হয়নে? So as compared
Yes,
to
ma'am.
extrinsic protein আমি চালো তাৰপিছত as compared to intrinsic protein it is বাকিবোৰ 70%. Right? So extrinsic 30 থাকিব বাকি intrinsic থাকিব.
Yes, ma'am. So এইখিনি আছিলে informations about the different types of proteins. So as far as the plasma membrane is concerned, we know that this is the living boundary of a cell. First point, it is found in all cells. That is, either you are talking about an animal cell or you are talking about a plant cell. Plasma membrane থাকিব, right? Next is how does the structure look like? We have talked about the different models that try to explain the structure of the plasma membrane and which one is most accepted. Obviously, the fluid mosaic model, which tells us that the plasma membrane is semi-fluidic in nature. It has a phospholipid bilayer together with certain different types of proteins, and proteins are divided into three categories: that are intrinsic, extrinsic, or transmembrane protein. So it whole structure. As far as the thickness of the membrane is concerned, according to all the models, the thickness is obviously specified from itself, right? Next, এইখিনি হোৱাৰ পিছত আমি next topic হ'ল নেকি?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next heading কৰা modifications of plasma membrane. So different organisms বিলাকত plasma membrane খন অকমান modify হৈ পেলাই you have certain terms for it. যেনেকে I think you have heard the word called as mesosome. Mesosome মনত আছে?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So mesosome কি হয়? Modification of plasma membrane in bacteria. Right? So বেলেগ organisms have বেলেগ নাম আছে. So we'll be talking about this.
Ma'am, fluid mosaic model to হৈ গ'ল।
fluid mosaic model এইখিনি।
Okay, ma'am.
বুজি পালা নে নাই fluid mosaic টো? So অকল লিখালৈকে confine হৈ নাথাকিবা, বুজি পাব লাগিব। বুজি পালা নে? There is nothing to know more. According to the first fluid mosaic model, কোনে দিছিল? Singer Nicholson. Second, the statement that goes along with protein iceberg in the sea of lipids. Third, what does the model tell us? It tells us that the plasma membrane is semi-fluidic in nature. It is made up of phospholipid bilayer and three different types of proteins that are extrinsic, intrinsic, or transmembrane proteins. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, third to কি লোমাজম লিখিছে?
Lomasome, LOMASOME. অকমান extra point. Nothing to explain, just work that মনত ৰাখিবা। If you are talking about the coupling of cilia and flagella, কোনে form করে? Plasma membrane form করে, plasmodesmata, etc. Once this is done, next লিখিবা functions of plasma membrane.
হল নেকি গোটেই কেইটা?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest of the students? Response কিয় নাই?
Yes.
Okay. Next, functions. So what's the important function কি plasma membrane? If you are talking about functions, there could be so many functions, but so what's the important one or the most common function that we always talk about? Plasma membrane খনৰ through কি হয়? So what's the important function কি?
It gives the shape of a cell.
Of cell বুলি ক'লে আকৌ plant cellত cell wall খনো থাকে ন? হয়নে? One part is okay. হা ঠিক আছে কিন্তু one of the important
Exchange of,
transportation of material.
please say.
exchange of materials.
Yes, very good. We are talking about the word called as transport, right? So what's the important function of plasma membrane? Key about transport of substances. Apart from them, more functions that you এতিয়া first transport বুলি লিখি থৈছে transport কি হয় we'll discuss in detail. It also goes for protection, cellular locomotion is also under the control. It also regulates defense mechanism. In a cell. So, these are some of the functions of the plasma membrane. That we thought details about this you need to know. কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ terms associated হৈ আছে কি transport কৰে. So, এইখিনি হোৱাৰ পিছত transport বুলি heading কৰিবা.
Ma'am, modification আৰু একো নালাগে ন?
নালাগে সেইকেইটা was sufficient. এইখিনি হৈছে নেকি?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So out of this, as we have discussed, so what's the important key? Transport. So transport or the কাম কৰা transport কি বস্তু transport হয় in the form of a chart we'll discuss. When we talk about transport, কি transport হয়? Micronutrients বিলাকো transport হয় আৰু macronutrients বিলাকো transport হয়. Next, actually, A information খিনি it is from the chapter transport in plants. Transport in plants অকমান হলেও তো পঢ়িছা ন chapter টো পঢ়িছা নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So transport in plants হত কি বস্তু transport হয়, right? সেইখিনি অকমান idea আমাৰ আছে, right? Our transport যেতিয়া either we'll be talking about অকমান কে গৈ আছে molecule, one molecule at a time transport হৈছে or we are talking about many molecules going together, right? Next, transport in information পাইছো তাৰ উপৰি about the two words called as micronutrients and macronutrients, so microelements and macroelements. পঢ়িছানে? In the next chapter, I think it's mineral nutrition chapter. আছে ন?
Yes, ma'am.
Micro আৰু macro
Yes,
জানোনে
ma'am.
difference এটা? It depends on what? The concentration or the amount that is present inside the cell. যদি কমকে আছে that is called as micro, আৰু যদি বেছি amount আছে that is called as macro.
right? So in the cell ki hobo plasma membrane through micronutrients bilako in and out hobo or macronutrients bilako in and out hobo. Another point is whenever we are talking about that macro flow or the macronutrient ba bahut bostu jodi ekelege flow kore, we have a particular term for that. You remember the term?
Ma'am, কি ক'লে?
Have you macronutrients bilak jetia transport kore ba jikonu bostu plasma membrane ekhonor majere jedi bahut molecules ekelege gusi jay, that type of a transport ki buli koy? Bulk transport hunisa niki?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
ma'am, শুনিছো।
Right? So bulk
Yes, ma'am.
transport is always associated with macro. আমি to discuss করার পিছত। Coming to this micronutrients, meaning of micro and macro will not discuss here. Micronutrients or macronutrients for keneke hoy either by two types of transport, no? Passive transport or active transport. PDF মানে নহলে বোর্ডখনত যেটা নহব। Passive transport or active transport or major difference ki?
ATP consumption.
What is the basic difference between passive and active transport?
ATP consume in
Son of
active transport.
Exactly. Transport koribole hole jodi extra energy lage, that is called as ATP. Sorry, that is called as active. Jodi
Active.
without ATP hoy, that is called as passive, right? Etia
Yes, ma'am.
kotha to hol ATP extra ke lagile সেই transport ক আমি কি বলি active transport, right? ATP ketia extra ke lage, in during which condition we require the use of extra ATP for the transport?
Transport of
Ma'am.
food.
Against the
Trans-
concentration gradient.
No, specifically teneke nohoy. If the answer relates to the concentration.
Yes, ma'am. Transport
Okay, ma'am.
against concentration gradient.
Lower concentration to higher concentration.
Very good. যদি high to low যায় তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ব? Passive এটাত energy নালাগে, কিন্তু যদি low পৰা high লে কিবা এটা বস্তু transport কৰিব লাগে, low concentration to high concentration, then you require the use of extra ATP, and that type of transport will be called as the active transport. এতিয়া মোক এটা কথা কোৱাচোন, you have heard certain terms called as diffusion, facilitated diffusion, etc. So diffusion এ হওক বা facilitated diffusion এ হওক, they are examples of which type of transport? Active or passive?
Passive.
Passive. Very good. আৰু active transport ইয়াতে আমি details নকৰো, Next, macronutrients are লগত সদায় এটা word associated that is called as bulk transport, no? এইবিলাক এটা molecule transport নহয়, বহুত molecules একেলগে যদি যায় তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Bulk transport. Bulk তো জানো ন, বহুত বেছি একেলগে গলে তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Bulk transport. Bulk transport in a cell কি হ'ব পাৰে? It could be intake of solid or liquid. So cell etar bhitor solid or liquid jabo, or it will be অকল যে intake হলেই transport হয়, not necessary. এইবিলাক wordটো শুনিছে চাগে ন এণ্ডোচাইটোচিছ এক্সোচাইটোচিছ জানো ন চেলটোৱে যদি solid liquid intake কৰে that is called as endo and if it is related with the release of waste then it is called as exo শুনিছা নাই আগতে
Yes, ma'am.
আকৌ এণ্ডোচাইটোচিছত আকৌ দুটা টাৰ্ম আছিলে ন যদি solid লয় then there is one word যদি liquid লয় then there is another word have you heard the words called as cell eating আৰু cell drinking
Yes, ma'am.
cell
Phagocyte.
eating cell eating cell drinking or cell vomiting right cell vomiting obviously it will be exocytosis right so cell eating or cell drinking endocytosis দুভাগত ভাগ কৰি দিয়া phagocytosis আৰু pinocytosis cell eating pinocytosis কি হ'ব cell drinking can you see this word এই wordটো দেখা পাইছা
Yes, ma'am.
and exocytosis or cell vomiting So plasma membrane কৈ আছো. So what is the most important function of plasma membrane? Is the transport of substances. When we talk about transport, what are the substance or what is the type of substance that it gets transported? It could be either the micronutrients or it could be macronutrients. When we talk about the transport of micronutrients, certain processes are to be remembered, right? Something like or maybe two types of transport, passive or active with ATP or without ATP. And when we are talking about macronutrients or transport, এই words kita amak lagibo. What is cell eating? What is cell vomiting? And so what is cell drinking? Plasma membrane ko অকমান details ত পঢ়িব লাগে, so the content is more. তোমালোকে এইখিনি লিখা in the meantime I'll write certain points. এইটো portion হল নেকি?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
হৈছে ন? Then write this point. So plasma membrane or lipids বিলাকৰ দুটা type of movement associated হৈ আছে, এটা হ'ল transition movement আৰু এটা হ'ল flip flop, right? So এতিয়া question আহে যে what is flip flop or what is transition, তেনেকে specifically question আহা নাই, right? So we know that it is a fluidic in nature, it's not solid, right? So in that case, if it is something is fluidic, তেতিয়াহ'লে এটা জেগাৰ পৰা আনটো জেগালৈ move কৰিব পাৰিব. So the phospholipids can also move or keep changing their position. If the movement is within the same layer, then it is called as transition. যদি দুইটা layer তেতিয়াহ'লে if suppose we are talking about this layer and we are talking about this layer, right? ইহঁত দুটাৰ মাজত যদি change হয়, transition. ইহঁত দুটাৰ মাজত যদি change হয়, that is called as flip flop. It's what is transition, what is flip flop? As I said, তেনেকা question আহা নাই, আহিছে যে who shows flip flop movement? The lipids of the plasma membrane, the proteins of the plasma membrane. So specifically, we have to remember that we are talking about the movement of the lipids and not of the proteins. Is the point clear?
Yes.
So with this, we come to the end about the descriptions of the plasma membrane. We have started the class with cell wall, right? Cell wall we described was the first. So we have started the chapter discussing about the cell, general information about the cell. Then we have talked about the types of cell, right? Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell, plant cell, and animal cell. And now we are discussing the structure of a cell. Talking about the structure, cell wall is something that we have already discussed. Next, we are discussing cell membrane. Next to cell membrane or plasma membrane, the next topic would be cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, basic details of যাব নালাগে, because if you remember, we have already given a chart and we have used the words called as cytoplasm, cytosol, hyaloplasm, etc. এইবিলাক words already chart দিয়ে দিছে, right? So we have to study it from there. অকমান basic information. এইখিনি হ'ল নেকি?
Yes.
This point is important, ঠিক আছে? Flip flop movement কোনে দেখায়? Right? Next heading কৰিবা cytoplasm. বেছি explain কৰিবলৈ একো নাই. কিবা point বুজি নাপালে সুধিবা হা. This is all about cytoplasm. Right, next plasma membrane, cytoplasm. The term was given by Strasburger, not very important, but even then, constituent also is important. No, term দুটামান important. Cytosol, no? What is cytosol? Only that liquid or that that jelly-like substance is called as cytosol. Or cytoplasm of cell organelles and the non-living materials together আমি consider কৰো তেতিয়াহলে সেইখিনিক আমি কি বুলি কম tropoplasm. যদি organelles আৰু non-living materials খিনি গুচাই পেলাই we are talking only about that liquid component, then it is called as cytosol. Other two terms understood. So cell wall hole, cell membrane hole, cytoplasm hole. Next, we have to talk about the different organelles that are present inside the cell. So when we talk about the different organelles, we will start a lecture with, or we'll start a class with a term called as endomembrane system. Endomembrane system naam to khunisa niki?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ekhine holes edi heading koriba endomembrane system. So the next part of the chapter, we need to talk about in details about the organelles that are present inside the cell. So protective organelle details: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, etc., etc. So heading koriba endomembrane system. Our endomembrane system to naam to ki hote hain se?
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Hmm?
Due to endoplasmic.
Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum is one part of endomembrane system, right? So we'll be talking about the organelles inside a cell. Now, when we talk about the different organelles that are present inside a cell, কিছুমান organelles কি কৰে, they always work in a coordinated manner. কিছুমান organelles এনেকুৱা আছে that they will work almost independently. Totally independently, almost independently. আৰু কিছুমান organelles inside the cell এনেকে আছে যে এটা other functions like relate হৈ আছে, right? Those functions who work in a coordinated manner, these organelles are put under the heading called as endomembrane system. Is the point understood? বুঝি পাইছনে?
Yes, ma'am.
Some organelles function in a coordinate manner and constitute the endomembrane system of the cell. Next is cell এটাতো ইমান organelles আছে তো endomembrane systemত কোনবিলাক organelles থাকিব আৰু কোনবিলাক নাথাকে এইটোৰ পৰা question আহিছে endomembrane systemত কি আছিলে মনত আছেনে এনেকুৱা কিছুমান organelles যোনে একেলগে কাম কৰে Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus di liখা lysosomes and vacuoles, right? So these organelles will always work together and so they form the endomembrane system. What is not included is mitochondria, chloroplast. We also talk about peroxisome. Actually.
Last to কি লিখিছে? Does not include or? Does not include or last to কি লিখিছে?
Does not include peroxisome. Peroxisome.
Okay.
Right? So, আমি কি জানো, inside a cell, there are so many membrane-bound cell organelles, and these organelles, obviously, they have a definite shape and structure. Out of all the organelles, some of the organelles always work in a coordinated manner. Coordinated manner মানে কি? এটাৰ লগত এটা link হৈ আছে. That is what is called as working in a coordinated manner. আৰু যোনকেইটা একেলগে কাম কৰে, তাহাঁতে cell এটাৰ কি form কৰে? They will form the endomembrane system of the cell. Question কি আহিছে? The endomembrane system consists of dash. কোনবিলাক organelles falls under endomembrane system? It is especially endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, lysosome, and obviously vacuole. কেতিয়াবা 18টা questionটো আহি থৈ দিয়ে. Right. Now, what next is we have to talk about each and every organelle in detail. Right. অকল যে peroxisome কথাই পাতিব, অকল mitochondria কথাই নহয়, গোটেইবিলাক কৰিম, and together with peroxisome we will also be talking about some other organelles also. For example, if you have heard something called as perosomes, right? সেইবিলাক আমি discuss কৰিম. So the next thing that we need to discuss is endoplasmic reticulum. ঠিক আছে? So heading কৰিবা endoplasmic reticulum. এইখিনিলৈকে কিবা questions আছে নেকি? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So endoplasmic reticulum heading কৰিবা.
Hello, ma'am.
Ha.
I'm doubt class.
Okay. Doubt class কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, then we'll do one thing. We'll stop the class up till here. In the next class, we'll be starting with endoplasmic reticulum. You'll take a break for some time and we'll start our doubt class. ঠিক আছে? Don't leave me. In the meantime, take out your doubts. কোনখিনি পঠাইছিলা? Okay?
PG কৰাব না?
Planting them.
Ma'am, fingertips no আগত.
গোটেইকেইটা নোলোৱা, fingertips আৰু হেৰি ক